What's up, everybody? Welcome to the My RC Life YouTube channel, where we do all things RC and a little bit of everything in between. Let's go!
What's going on, everybody? Traxxas Mike from My RC Life. Monday afternoon, out here at the Glowing Graves in Everett, Michigan. The famous Glowing Graves. If you haven't ever heard of these, look up Mystic, Michigan, Glowing Graves, or Glowing Graves, Everett, Michigan, or Forest Hill Cemetery, Everett, Michigan. There'll be a lot of things that pop up. I may try to do a video here at night and try to capture the Glowing Graves. I don't know how well this GoPro will pick them up, but we might do that in the future. If you want to see a video like that, leave it in the comments below. You know, tell me you'd like to see that. If you guys want to see it, I'll throw a video up. So today, I got my Cessna Skytrainer 182. I've been slowly fixing this thing up. I just put a new cowl on it. I got a new battery box I just installed on it as well, because I used to have to tape it on. Now my latches are on there. This was an older plane, not really old, but I got this all with safe and everything now, which is really nice. I like buying these old planes and fixing them up, putting the safe and stuff on them. You know, they used to be planes that you had to be really good at flying. You couldn't be a beginner like me and fly these things. And then, of course, I brung the Night Timber X, which I flew yesterday. I want to get my second flight in with that. And then I brung my T-28 Trojan Warbird. I want to fly that thing some more, because that thing was fast, and I'm hooked, boy. I like that fast plane. So let's go ahead and get this thing up in the air. Of course, it's windy again today, but whatever. I'm not going to let that stop me. I love to fly. Wind, no wind, rain, snow, I don't care. If I want to fly, I'm going to fly. And I also got my GoPro Session on here as well to get some footage of when we're in the sky. Let's start this up. Okay, that's recording. Yep, numbers are rolling. Cleaning up the screen here. Woo, it is a bit windy. Yesterday we were taking off the other way. We had to take off towards the cemetery. Today we're taking off towards the DNR building. I'm going with no flaps. I don't think I'll need them. Plenty windy. Oh yeah, she got right up there, no problem. Woo! Wow, it's really windy out, guys. It is windy. I have my safe on, and as you can see, we're getting side gusts and all kinds of weird wind when I'm way up high, and it's just throwing my plane around. Even with the safe on, I'm worried that I may crash. Watch closely at the scenery going by. You can tell when I'm heading into the wind, I'm not going that fast, but when I turn around and I'm going with the wind, watch the speed pick up. It almost looks like it's in fast forward. So much faster. That's how much the wind is picking up, and it's getting really crazy. And about now, I think I decided I ought to put it back down on the ground and go ahead and call her quits for today. Are them flaps even on? They are not. Oh man, that wind is getting horrible. I think I'm bringing her down, guys. This is the strongest wind I've ever flown in. Oh, yeah, I want to bring her down. Ooh, that was a hard landing. All my flaps were down one thing. I probably bent my nose gear a little bit, I'm gonna guarantee, because that was a pretty hard landing. Yeah, she bent the nose gear just a bit. Holy cow. Well, the position where I'm at out here, it's, you know, we don't got a lot of woods from this way, so I got wind just coming hard at me this way. I decided to bring it down, guys. It's not worth crashing a plane. I mean, like I said, I want to fly wind, snow, rain, but when it's that bad, it's just not worth it for me. And you've seen how much trouble I had bringing that in. And that was with safe on. You know, I'm not that great of a pilot yet. In my eyes. I haven't even got a year of flying in. Looks like that landing gear got bent a little bit, but all we do with that, I need to straighten that sucker back out. And looky there. Better. Eventually it's probably going to break off again. I'm going to have to make a new one of these. But for now we'll keep on using that. I'm not sure if this tricycle wheel, rear tricycle wheel, was bent back a little bit already or not. But you can see it is bent back a little bit now. And I kind of straightened it out. So, anyways, no big deal. She's back in tip-top shape, good enough for me. Go ahead and pull this battery out and put our door back on. Stuff this little girl back in the truck for now. Sorry, such a short-lived flight today, guys, but like I said, it's not worth biffing a plane or sticking her in a tree. So that's it for today. I'm Traxxas Mike from My RC Life, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching another episode of My RC Life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.